Hi friends, in the last lecture we have started how to find a particular integral of a right hand side of the equation is of the form polynomial or a x raised to m form where m is a positive integer. Okay. Also we have seen one example based on this type number 3. Okay. And now in this lecture we will solve one more example based on the type number 3. See here, type number 3. Okay. See, we have seen in the last lecture this example d cube y upon dt cube plus dy by dt is equal to cos t plus t square plus 3. Okay, let us see one more example. Example number 2. This d cube y upon dx cube minus 2 dy by dx plus 4y is equal to 3x square minus 5x plus 2. Okay, see on this equation, right hand side is a polynomial, that is polynomial belongs to the type number 3. Okay, here power of x is a 2. Okay, largest power of x is 2. Here is a power of 2, power of x are involved. So this is a polynomial and belongs to the type number 3. So we use type number 3 for finding particular integral. Okay, we have to find solution of this linear differential equation. First we will find a complementary function, and the later we will find a particular integral. Okay, first we have to find complementary function. For that we will first find a auxiliary equation. Its auxiliary equation is what? D cube minus 2d plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, find a root of this cubic polynomial. This polynomial has exactly 3 roots. Find a root of that polynomial manually or by using calc. Root are, what are the roots? See here, root are minus 2, 1 plus minus I. Minus 2 root is a real, 1 plus minus I root is a imaginary. So corresponding to this root we have to find complementary function as c1 e raised to minus 2x corresponding to this root 1 plus minus I. One is a real part and one is imaginary part. Corresponding to this root part in the complementary function is e raised to x c2 cos x plus c3 sin x. So corresponding to this root, complementary function can be written as c1 e raised to minus 2x plus e raised to x c2 cos x plus c3 sin x. This is the complement function of this linear differential equation. As you know, complete solution is given by complementary function plus particular integral. We have done half part of this linear differential equation. Now we have to find uh, particular integral. Particular integral is equal to what? 1 upon f of d into x. What is f of d? D cube minus 2d plus 4 into capital X. What is capital X? Capital X nothing but right hand side. What is right hand side? This is the right hand side. 3x square minus 5x plus 2. Now this denominator can be written as 4 minus 2d plus d cube. Okay, we have written this starting with power of d as 0. 4 minus 2d plus d cube, and this is the x, 3x square minus 5x plus 2. Now take 4 common. What do we get? Here we are taking 4 common, so remains with here 1 minus 2d minus d cube. Okay, from these two terms we have taken 4 is common, but there is no 4, so there is a 4 divide. 4 will be divide of 2d minus d cube. So in the next step, pi is equal to 1 upon 4 into bracket 1 minus, take that bracket on the take that bracket in the numerator, we get 1 minus 2d plus d cube upon 4 raised to minus 1 into this polynomial 3x square minus 5x plus 2. Okay, use here expansion. As you know, expansion of 1 minus x raised to minus 1. Expansion of 1 minus x raised to minus 1 is what? 1 plus x plus 1 plus x square plus and so on. Here x nothing but what? This bracket. What is bracket? 2d plus d cube plus, by 4. So we have written the expression of this as 1 plus x plus x square. What is x? X nothing but this bracket 2d plus d cube upon 4. Here we have written, here is x square. X is what? 2d plus d cube by 4 and so on into this polynomial. Here 1 by 4 is constant. Now simplify this. What do we get? Pi is equal to 1 upon 4 into bracket 1 plus, here give separate denominator 2d by 4 plus d cube by 4. Here we have written, here we have to square this bracket. On the denominator there is 4. 4 square is 16. On the numerator what do we get? Here is a 2d plus d cube. We have to square this bracket. A is 2d and b is a d cube. If we do square of this, we get 2d plus d cube. We have to use formula. Which formula? A plus b bracket square. What do we get? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so 2d square nothing but 4d square plus 2 time product of this 4d raised to 4 plus d raised to 6. Okay, upon 16 plus and so on. But as you know, here if we do square of this term 2d plus d cube, we are having 3 term, but we have written here only 1 term. There is a reason. See which is the reason there. Here largest power of x square is 2. Largest power of x square is 2. So power is 2. So third and onwards derivative of x square is 0. Getting me? This is a very important thing. Third, fourth, fifth, and so on. All the derivative higher than 2, all are 0. So we have to take here those terms whose derivative are not vanish or whose derivative are not 0. Here d cube nothing but what? D cube nothing but second derivative. D cube nothing but fourth derivative, but fourth derivative is 0. Next fifth derivative is 0, sixth derivative is 0. So there is no need to write a term of d whose power is greater than 2, so that we return power of d, largest power of d as a 2. Getting me? Because here derivative of this quantity is 0 up to derivative of this quantity is 0, third derivative, fourth derivative, and so on. That's why I have not taken here power of d from 3 larger than 3 or larger than 2 or power 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Now we have to solve this bracket. See here, pi is equal to 1 upon 4 into bracket 1 plus, give separate denominator here. What do we get? 2d by 4, nothing but d by 2. Here d cube by 4. This again make derivative of this polynomial is 0. Okay, that's why we neglect this term. We are not considering this term because it makes the derivative of this polynomial is 0. Here 4d square upon 16, we get d square by 4 of this polynomial. Now multiply this polynomial inside the bracket. What do we get? 1 upon 4. Here 1 into this polynomial, we get 3x square minus 5x plus 2 plus 1 upon 2 d of this bracket 3x square minus 5x plus 2 plus 1 by 4. Here is 1 by 4 and d square of this bracket 3x square minus 5x plus 2. If we solve this bracket, what do we get? See here, 1 by 4 into bracket 3x square minus 5x plus 2 plus 1 upon 2 d nothing but what? First derivative. D square nothing but second derivative. D cube nothing but third derivative. First derivative of this, see, derivative of this quantity 3x square minus 5x plus 2. D nothing but first derivative. First derivative of 3x square is 6x. Here minus 5 and 2 is constant, derivative is 0. plus double derivative of this quantity. Already we have found here first derivative. Differentiate once again. What do we get? 6. Here is derivative. After solving this, we will arrive at pi is equal to 1 by 4 into bracket 3x square minus 2x plus 1. This is the required particular integral of the given differential equation. Now we have to write a complete solution of the given equation. Y is equal to, y is the dependent variable, is equal to complement function plus particular integral, and complement function is here c1 e raised to minus 2x plus e raised to x c2 cos x plus c3 sin x plus 1 upon 4 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. This is the complete solution of the given linear differential equation. Okay, so these are the practical example. Solve this example. Okay, if you have any doubt, can you comment me? Okay, thank you.